Snow ngayon dito. There is snow here in USA, New Jersey. Right now it's snow heavy. Very heavy snow right today. Today is Saturday. See? Very heavy snow today. See? Yeah, see? Ganito yung buhay namin dito sa US. Nag-i-snow. Hindi kagaya sa atin, baha, tubig, baha. Dito naman is snow, baliktad. Sa atin, baha. Mas delikado yung baha dito, hindi naman. Pag nag-i-snow, hindi naman malamig. Okay lang.